If you've ever opened Tinkercad and wondered how to move the view around your design, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate, orbit, and reset the view in Tinkercad so you can work faster and with a lot more confidence. This is one of those small skills that makes a huge difference, especially when you're trying to inspect a model from every angle or keep your workspace easy to navigate. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Tinkercad tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. All right, let's get into it. The easiest way to move the view in Tinkercad is by right-clicking and dragging your mouse anywhere on the work plane. This lets you spin the camera around your model so you can look at it from different angles. Think of it like walking around your design without actually moving the object itself. If you want a faster way to jump to a standard perspective, you can use the ViewCube in the top left corner of the screen. This is the small 3D cube that helps you control the camera. You can click and drag the ViewCube to rotate the view freely, or you can click on a specific face, like top, front, or side, to snap immediately to that exact angle. That's especially useful when you need to get back to a clean, flat working view. Another helpful method is using your keyboard and mouse together. On many devices, you can hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while left-clicking and dragging to rotate the view. This is a great alternative if your mouse setup or trackpad behavior feels different. If you're using a laptop or touchpad, you may also be able to use 2 fingers to swipe and rotate the workspace, depending on your device settings and browser. This can make navigation feel a lot more natural once you get used to it. Now here's a pro tip that will save you a lot of frustration. If your view ever feels stuck, awkward, or you've rotated too far and can't get back where you want, just click the Home icon on the left toolbar. That resets the camera to the default 3D angle and gives you a clean starting point again. It's the quickest way to recover when your workspace gets confusing. So to recap, you can move the view in Tinkercad by right-clicking and dragging, using the ViewCube, or holding Ctrl or Command with your mouse to orbit the camera. And if things get messy, the Home button puts everything back to normal. Once you practice these controls a few times, navigating Tinkercad becomes much easier and much faster. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Tinkercad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.